Hey, what's going on? I'm Brent Hensley here with Bilstein at Jeep Beach 2024 down here at Daytona International Speedway. We're having a blast. Hey, just a couple things I really want to talk about the company. A lot of people always ask me, like, when did we get in this industry? What have we been doing? How do we compare to other competitors? And just to give some quick stats, Bilstein was actually a brand back in the late 1800s. We dipped in the automotive industry in the early 1900s, in the 1920-ish time frame, and actually the creator of the first monotube gas pressurized shock in 1957 on the Mercedes. One thing that's really, really cool about our brand is we are a massive OEM company, manufacturer. We are on all kinds of different platforms, and what happens is we're able to take all this technology and all the engineering and everything that goes into building something that's a mass production, high quality, highest performing piece of product that's out there, and now we're innovating it into the off-road world. We've been making off-road products for a long time. We're getting back out here, we're showing our brand, making sure people realize that we're still the same company, we're still the same quality. We've got a few different manufacturing facilities that are here in the US, which is another cool thing for anything that's in this off-road world. Some of the parts are actually made on the OEM assembly line, so they go through all the same cycle testing, the same coating, the same seal packs and pistons, and everything that goes into an OE quality product, you're getting that in the aftermarket world. That is based out of Cincinnati, Ohio. And then all of our big boy stuff, we get excited about some of the stuff, the 60 millimeter piston stuff, the 70 millimeter stuff. All of that is hand built out of San Diego, California. And again, it's just really cool to have the incorporation. We're a German based company, but all this stuff that's in this off-road industry is built right here in the US, easy to ship to you all, and make sure you've got the best product. So a couple of the different things that we've brought out here to display. You can see right here, these are our bolt-on applications. You've got the first yellow shock here. This yellow shock is the Bilstein 4600 series. That is our OEM replacement shock. You just want a good quality ride, your shocks are worn out, they're blown, and you want something to get in, this is what you do. No lift required. It's an amazing performing shock. We step up when you want to get into lifts. Same type of quality, it's the same 46 millimeter piston. We move to the 5100 series. These shocks, lifetime warranty on both of these shocks. That's pretty amazing against leaks that we're able to do this. We do a lot of other cooler things. We start adding reservoirs. We're still using a 46 millimeter piston. All of a sudden you're a little bit go fast, right? We need some oil consumption, and we start moving up into bigger stuff. 60 millimeter, this stuff is over 2.5 inch OD. I like to point that out. But we move into this bigger stuff, we're adding reservoirs, some of the product like this that we actually put out for Tacomas and Tundras and 8125 series. These things are awesome. Zone control, it's gotta be one of the coolest shocks on the market. And then we flip over to this backside. This is where we get custom. This is where people don't realize that we're in this market. This is your race application stuff. We got 8100 25s coilovers. These things are awesome. These are for your low speed, your rock crawling. We make another version of this called a 9200 series coilover. That is our race application, race oil, heavy duty, bigger rod. It's an awesome, awesome platform. This is what we're running in the Ultra 4 series style stuff. And then we've got a 70 millimeter internal working piston, triple bypass shock. These things are awesome. External bypass, I'd love to spend days talking about why the technology is cool, but just know these have different zones that you can control. It's got 2 compressions, 1 rebound. Again, this is our race application stuff, but hey, we've got people out here, they're fabbing it up, they're putting it on Jeeps, they're putting it on cool things, they're actually street driving, and we've got a lot of cool stuff we're bringing to the table. You can actually find us at, the easiest way is if you go to bilsteinus.com, that's gonna give you to our US market to make sure that we can get you exactly what you're looking for. You go to find my product, you can enter your vehicle, it asks you all the information to make sure that you get the vehicle specific product for your car. If you cannot find it, we make all kinds of custom applications. Do not lose interest. Please reach out to us via the website, use the contact link, send us what you got. We've got employees that love doing this stuff, love trying to figure out if we've got something we can custom make for your ride.